Good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another episode here from Tauranga, the outskirts of Tauranga, where we're staying in our mini house on a farm. So the woman, Claire, which is the farmer, showed us around the farm today and showed us how to look after the cows and everything else. So Claire actually to stay here and actually experience the whole culture and the way of living on a farm, which is amazing. It's a eye-opener to us, and we have to do a bit of work, 10 hours each, which isn't a lot because we're actually enjoying the experience at the same time. So we have to do a bit of painting today, maybe do 5 hours today, 5 hours tomorrow, but we get to stay in the home, the mini house, and experience living on a farm, which is pretty good. But we feed ourselves, and we get to stay in the land for free, which is really nice. So not free, but we're basically doing the work to stay here. So
well, basically nothing is for free, and we're doing our work, but I think it's just great wandering around this place and discovering new things and having all these animals around us.
And it's 100 acres, guys. It is 100 acres. It's so big. I can't picture what 100 acres actually looks like. But you have like these big pine trees in the background. They're absolutely massive. Look how big they are. They go down further, of course, but when you're up close, it's mind blowing. But she mentioned that it's very dangerous when it's windy because they can fall down. So she said, don't walk past them when they're windy. So yeah.
And on top of that, we're gonna get like fresh avocados and fresh food. Isn't this the most perfect looking avocado?
It's so creamy looking. It's ready for consumption
with our eggs.
Oh my god. She mentioned that we can actually go down when she's buying some pig food, that we can stop off with a friend of hers and get some avocados, a bucket load, as many as we want. I said, wow, really? These avocados are expensive here in New Zealand.
Gonna eat so much more avocados.
Avocados are very good fats, Madeline. So this is the house. We're actually just we got a wash machine at the moment, so we need to set that up in the house. And we don't know how long we're staying for.
So if we're not staying in this house like before, her mom was staying here, but she's currently in Australia for a few months, so she was looking for someone to stay here, and also someone that can help around the farm. We're painting a fence.
Yeah, so look how long the fence is.
And that's not even quarter of it.
Quarter of it? No, it's a really long fence, but we're gonna put a work in and see what we can do.
Oh my god, I have really bad hiccups. But this is our work.
It's very mindful, it's very relaxing.
It is mindful, it is in nature. If the weather is nice,
we're learning new skills.
We're learning something new.
We're learning the skills we are in New Zealand.
And we have a beautiful view over the sea. Isn't that great? Let's just have to do a break and pet him.
Little Max, the farmer dog.
The house dog. Still painting fence. It's 4 p.m. Sun's going down soon.
Another beautiful day here on the farm, guys. Yeah, it's nice and early. It's 9:30 a.m. It's not that early, but it's early enough. So we have to do our 10 hours every week to stay in the accommodation, like I mentioned. So we have 6 hours to do today, and then we're finished for the week. So we have to finish the paint here in the back, you can see. And we did a good amount of painting yesterday, and it came out pretty well. But look at the beautiful sunrise in the morning, so it's gorgeous. While doing our fair share of work to stay here, we can also pick some fruits and vegetables from the garden to cook for ourselves, which is luxurious for us. It's what they put in curries. It's the leaf. You add to a curry, you put a leaf or two into it, and it gives it that Thai taste.
Lemonish.
Wow. Never knew that's where they come from. Because usually when the leaf is in the curry, it's dried out. Yeah. It's black usually, but it smells like curry, the tree.
I have so many things in my hand.
All organic, guys.
I can't even.
Wow. Dinner is sorted.
Dinner is sorted.
Indeed. So we got lots of vegetables from the garden, guys. We're going to cook maybe later. But now we're going to have an avocado from the garden as well. And some eggs. After taking a break from work, we made a spontaneous visit to the avocado orchards and collected enough avocados to last us for a month. It's been a bit challenging to keep them from spoiling, but with the avocados being so expensive these days, it's a real luxury that has made us feel quite spoiled. So Madeline, we're at a avocado farm.
So we just learned when the avocados are on the ground, they can't sell it anymore.
That's why we can take them.
And these are the ones we can pick up and take. That's amazing.
So if they fall off the tree, they're bruised and they officially can't be sold on the market. So that's why we're allowed to actually come here now and take some from the ground. And there's a couple, but it seems like a few people have already been here and picked the avocados. So we're having a break there, a little lunch break from the painting, and we come down here just to get some avocados for the next couple of days, and then we'll continue painting then afterwards. So you can see how beautiful the avocado farm is. It's absolutely... Sorry? The pigs one? So we also need to pick some avocados for the pigs back on the farm. The rotten avocados.
Apparently they love them.
Okay, here, that's the rotten avocados.
Yeah, the purple.
So we have 2 buckets so far. The good ones and the rotten ones. Let's keep looking, Madeline. Find a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful avocado. Three avocados. Nice juicy avocados. What? They're actually harder than I thought to find. Oh, there's another one. 5 avocados. This is a good tree. This is my favourite tree so far. Sorry? The rotten bucket. Look at all the avocados you have, Madeline. Very good. Whoa, that's a lot of avocado trees. Wow. You might get some over here. We're scavenging the last ones. There's an avocado there. Look at all the avocados in the
We got a
sack.
few avocados.
That's the week shopping of avocados. 20 avocados a day, yeah?
That's the only problem. If you have a self-contained car, you don't have any other space to store it in.
Where are we going to put them all?
Keep them
Once we
here.
finished sorting out the avocados, we wrapped up our painting session for the week and jumped right into weeding the garden. Since the owner was too busy with her main job, she couldn't keep up with the garden maintenance.
We just finished painting the fence for this week. We actually did an hour more that we're supposed to. So what we're gonna do now, take out, because we still have to clean the cars. We're gonna take out the mattress out of the car to clean that, and then hello Max. Hello Max. And then we sort our avocados. Take them out.
Yeah, separate them, the ripe and the non-ripe avocados.
Living the farm
And
life.
give the rotten avocados to the pig.
They have rotten ones too, so.
Yeah, so we need to feed the pig as well with the leftovers.
Wash them, and then we'll take off the cover, wash that, and take out the mattress and
Leave it air out, yeah. It's the last owners. We still have to clean this up from the last owners. It might smell a bit like damp as well, so we have to air it out. So yeah, we're doing the garden at the minute, and we're just going to show before and after pictures of what we're doing. We just did a good bit actually already the past hour and a half over here, and it's looking very nice now. Madeline did that, and I did the one in the back there. Now we're going to transform this part now, Madeline.
Yeah.
Have you done gardening before?
No, actually not.
I can't believe it.
If my ma sees this now.
She's going to be very upset that you never helped her in the past with her garden. And let me tell you what, gardening turned out to be way tougher than painting. But you know what? It felt way more satisfying too. Come on, muscles.
1, 2.
Madeline is full of muscles. Oh, how many potatoes do you get?
Look at this.
Wow. Beautiful. Just lovely.
That's pretty cool.
Whoa, look at
that's
that.
Worms. Jesus.
Madeline, the worms are great for the
I
soil.
don't like worms. You take this off then.
We're digging up all sorts of potatoes here. These are called Jerusalem. What are they called? Oh, Madeline, I found the jackpot.
What it is.
And a mixture of different breed potatoes.
Yeah.
Fascinating. Look at all the potatoes you dug up. Wow. Didn't realise there was a potatoes in this big mess in the corner.
No.
Wow. Nice potatoes. Oh, you broke it.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh no.
They're very delicate.
Also, you do it then.
Oh, watch them, they're delicate. Don't break them. So yeah, we're cleaning the garden up and now we're picking potatoes.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa, that's a big one. Oh, we can eat that.
Look at this yolk.
Is that a sweet potato?
I don't know.
Is that a white potato?
Looks like a radish or something.
It's a mix. We could eat that for dinner.
We have to figure out what it is first and how to cook that.
Boil it.
I don't know. You put the more closely here?
Yeah.
I didn't think that there was something.
What are these called? Jerusalem
artichoke.
Sorry?
Jerusalem artichoke.
So that's the name of these potatoes, which I've never seen back in Europe.
I did.
I've only discovered these back in New Zealand.
But they grow back home.
Okay, I just never seen them before then. Look at you, jackpot.
But why do they break so easy? So, did you say everything in one?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Guys, my body is about to give up. I have to say, gardening is quite physical. And there's a force for everything. I've never done garden really like that before, so it looks very nice now. Hey Madeline.
Hello.
Are you alive?
Yeah.
Are you alive and well? How are you feeling?
In my hip.
Yeah, you're hinging over a lot with the gardening, so it takes puts a lot of strain on the back. A live wire.
Do you have to go down further?
Yeah, keep going. Go. Keep going. Very good. That's fine, keep going. Good girl. You have to do another, you have to walk under another live wire. Yeah, we don't want to get electrocuted.
We just go to the
To keep the cows out.
Oh no.
Moo! At a baby cow.
Be careful, don't walk into poop.
Oh, the poo. What? They won't go near you. Go.
I go under. That's not high enough there.
Yeah, so we're just going to feed the pigs right now with our leftover food. But Madeline is struggling to get over this fence. The cow's
I'm not sure if I'll make it over there.
You will.
Help me, give me a hand.
Ah, come on.
No, I'm not.
You will. Go. There. Now step over. Good girl. I'm proud of you.
Okay, let's go give it.
Alright. Where is the pigs?
Down there.
Oh yeah. Here you go. Hold this. This is for you.
Oh look how they are looking.
So that's the tiny house we're living in at the moment, and then we have all these cows looking through our window in the morning as soon as we open the blinds. Also there's the vegetable garden to the right.
Oh,
We're allowed to help ourselves to the vegetables that are in the garden. The pigs are talking to us at the moment. Oh, they're hungry.
should we text them? Clear that we fed them?
We'll text it later, yeah. And look at the background, guys. So what's the name of the trees, Madeline, again? Pine trees?
Yeah, because that's a lot, no?
Yes and no. So see the pine trees in the background? Very tall, but when it's windy it's supposed to be very dangerous, and we're not supposed to walk past these trees because they can actually fall down. The landscape around here is out of this world. Oh, they're fighting for food. I know. What's wrong? You hungry? You hungry, Mr. Pig? Pig. Oink oink. Oink oink. Pretty aggressive, aren't he? Oh, it is Max. Max is following us. You're the German warrior. Oink oink. Oink oink.
Look at them.
Oink oink. You hungry?
Oh my god. Put it in there.
They're wild, aren't
Oh,
they?
they ripped it off.
Throw the food in?
Yeah, just throw the food in, you know? Yeah. But the food goes in, you understand what I mean though?
Scoop it in.
Yeah, just the food.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, they're like, oh, this is delicious.
Shit. They're enjoying themselves. Really, they really scoop it up like a hoover. Oh my god. They smell pretty bad as well. Very stinky. They're interesting creatures. Full of pleasant smells.
We're really adapting the farmer life.
Are we?
Seems the way, yeah.